Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Open Instagram and go to your profile by tapping the person icon at the bottom right of your screen. Once you're there, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to access your menu options. Step 2. Scroll down in that menu until you find Settings and Privacy, then tap on it. You'll see several options here, so make sure you're looking for the section that relates to your account data and downloads. Step 3. Look for an option that says Download Your Information or Request Download. This is where Instagram lets you access all your personal data. Tap on it to start the process. Step 4. You'll see different categories of data you can download, like your photos, videos, messages, and follower information. Select all the categories you want included in your download, or just choose the ones that matter to you. Step 5. Confirm your request and Instagram will prepare your data file, which usually takes a few days. They'll send you a notification when it's ready, and you can then download it to your computer or phone in a secure format.